Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn type of relationship and data modeling in RDBMS. Types of relationship in relational database management system. There are four types of relationship in database management system. Why relationship is come into the picture? Because uh, as per the definition of RDBMS said, there are multiple tables, one or more tables are related to each other with the help of some key like a primary key or foreign key, and we will discuss primary key, foreign key in the upcoming sessions. In the current session we are just discussing about the relation, means how these table are connected to this table with the help of some relation. Okay, then uh, there is a one-to-one relationship. One-to-one, this is the notation of this. Then one-to-many, one has here and many rows and in the second table. And let's say these two tables, table 1, table 2. So there is a one-to-one relationship. One-to-many means one at here and many at here. Then many to one means many rows at in first table and only one row in the second table. And many to many, many to many means one or more rows of first table are related to one or more rows of second table. So that is nothing but the many to many relationship. So we will see practically how this we can implement. uh, Student is the table, correct, and contact is the table. So one student having the one contact, correct. So that is the thing but the one to one relationship. Yes, one to many or many to one. Actually, these are nothing but the only one thing. Means like let's say there is a one student is belonging to the one department, but one department having the different student, means there is a n number of student. One department, let's say there is a 60 batch, then one department having the multiple 60 student. So that is the many to one. And one to many, reverse direction. Let's say here is the department and here is the student table, correct. So one department having the multiple student, that is the one to many. And I am erasing again it, department and student. To be frank, this is the one to many and many to one, it is the only one. Means there is a nothing but in the practical scenario, student is the table, correct. So one student is learning the different subject, and one subject is learning by the different student, multiple student. So such a relationship is known as many to many relationship. Data modeling. Data modeling, why data modeling is come into the picture? We have to design the database, this is our objective. That's why we have to model the database. First of all, we have to identify the different entities of particular system, means we have to thoroughly identify. I have to build the school information management system, then which entities are come into the picture. So that is, we need to identify first of all. And data modeling, as per the definition, what definition is saying, understand the structure, form and relationship between the different entities. That is nothing but the data modeling, and it is help us in to take the decision about what data is necessary and how to collect it, how to structure it. That is nothing but the data modeling. And different types of models in data modeling, like the conceptual, then there is a logical, and third one is the physical. Conceptual is what? Actually, in this type, we have to identify what are the different types of entities are come into the picture. Student is the entity, department is the entity, faculty is the entity, and subject is the entity. So we have to identify the entities in this model. And second one is the logical. Logical, it means in this logical two things. One is attributes or columns we have to identify, and second thing we have to identify the relation between two entities. Columns means we have to identify student having the id column, student having the name column, student having the phone number, like department having the department id, department having the department name. So we have to identify these columns in the attributes. This is the first one. And second thing, relation means one student having the one department, but one department having the multiple student. So we have to identify the relationship in between that them, and based on that we have to create the relation, like the primary key relation or foreign key relationship in between them. Means suppose there is a primary key of the department table is going into the student table as a department id, means we can easily identify that student is belonging to the which department. Here is the primary key or a foreign key. So foreign key is in the student table and primary key is the in department table. We will go through all these concepts like the primary key, foreign key in the upcoming session. But till the time you just um, keep your mind, yeah, there is a relationship like a primary key, foreign key relationship in between them. And the third thing, there is a physical model. What is the physical model? Physical model, in this we have to actually build the database. Build the database, it means what? We have to directly do the implementation of the database. Means there is a, we have to create the table, then there is a, what are the constraint of it, what are the keys of it, how these tables are related to another table. So and there are multiple tables, like let's say 8 tables or 10 tables. So we have to actual design. That is nothing but the physical model. In the next session, we will go through how to implement RDBMS system practically. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.